If you are new to manifestations and the law of attraction, listen to these 5-minute money affirmations and notice an instant change in your energy, allowing you to attract wealth and prosperity easily and fast. I am a magnet for money. Money comes to me from so many different places. I constantly receive unexpected money. I am living in harmony with money. I love the freedom money gives me. Money allows me to fully enjoy my life. Money gives me peace of mind. I feel truly happy, knowing I always have more than enough money. Every day, my wealth is growing. Every dollar I make, I am multiplying. I have endless streams of passive income. I am rich, and I will always be rich. The universe is sending money my way. I am manifesting my dreams by the law of attraction. I finally live in alignment with the universe. My life is balanced and secure. Abundant waves of money are washing over my bank account. I constantly receive more money from the universe. It is like a limitless faucet of wealth has been turned on. Money keeps coming no matter what I do. Money creates security in my life. I feel so safe knowing I have more than enough. What a beautiful life. I am now able to live my life to the fullest. I have a rich mindset. I think like a millionaire. I only allow thoughts of prosperity to enter my mind. I am letting go of negative beliefs. I know I am worthy of an abundant life. I know I deserve to be rich and wealthy. So I am treating myself as a winner. And I am winning in life. I am taking control of my mind. I am taking charge of my life. I choose to reach my full potential. And I know the universe can get me there. I can manifest whatever I want. I hold the key to my future. So I simply decide what I want. And then I send out my intentions. I was born to be rich. I was born to succeed in life. I was created with unlimited potential. So I am creating the life that was meant for me. I choose to have a healthy relationship with money. I am making money a natural part of my life. I associate money with joy and happiness. So I open the doors to money. This is my time of overflow. This is my time to be rich. So I accept this new reality. As I know I am rich, wealthy, and prosperous. Congratulations on your start to manifesting your dream life, understanding the power of the universe, and understanding the power of your mind. So listen to this every day, and you will soon notice how unexpected money seems to constantly come into your life. But to make your manifestation process go even faster and increase your chances of success early on, combine these affirmations with another crucial ingredient: gratitude. So watch this next video to create a powerful combination that will put you on a frequency of divine manifestations.